Hi, I'm Danny Satalia with Professional Stump Removal, and right now we're on the Penn State Golf Course project. That right there is a forwarder. That's how we pick up all the logs that we produce during the job. This particular job, we're cutting down 326 trees. Every one of these trees we'd like to have a use. The most decent wood ends up being turned into lumber. Then on the lower end, it gets turned into paper. And on the final, the lowest grade gets turned into mulch. So all the material gets reused, which is important to us. It also helps keep the cost down. One way or another, all this material, everything you see on site has to leave the site. So we're either gonna pay someone to dispose of it, or we're gonna, maybe trade it, give it away, so that they can use it for something else. Right here we have something called a feller buncher. This is the piece of equipment we used to clear this entire area. This area is about 200 yards long by about 100 yards wide. So it's about 60,000 square feet. We cleared this area in about 3 days. We still have a lot of work. Basically, getting the trees on the ground is obviously a big part of the job, but with the cleanup, that's what kind of takes the most time. Our goal is to damage as little turf as possible. We're taking down 225 trees in this grove, and we're taking about 101 trees down on the rest of the course. Well, by clearing this area, every time we cut a tree down somewhere else, we brought it over here. That way, the damage and the mess is isolated to this one area. We try to isolate the damage to a small area. That way there's less to repair in the spring, depending on the time of the service. And as you can see, this is just a huge mess, but I think about 3 days from now, so we're 3 days in, and I think 3 days from now, this will look a lot different. We hope to show you a better product in about 3 days. So we're finally wrapping up this Penn State Golf Course renovation. This red tractor here is using something called a landscape rake. That rake is going to clean up any loose debris that we missed. We need to clean up the debris down to 1 inch in diameter, so that tractor should catch it. If he notices a stump, which I'm sure he's noticing a bunch, he's going to let the guy grinding stumps know, and we'll make sure to take care of that. But anyway, we're basically finally done, so that's it.